Mombasa Governor Ali Hassan Joho earlier on was involved in a bit of a scuffle with security officials down at the coast, and our coastal region reporter Francis Ontomwa now joins us live for this particular update. Francis, it's not the first time that Mombasa Governor Ali Hassan Joho is finding himself in trouble with the police. Just give us a brief of what is this land that has been in question in this particular situation?
Well, Akisa, the governor of Mombasa, Hassan Ali Joho, has somehow found himself back in the limelight, but it's quite important really to put it clear that he was not arrested, not at all. He was not arrested, but though he had gone to Nyali police station only to seek, rather to push for the release of 7 members of the inspectorate unit who had been arrested while enforcing some order of demolishing a wall that had been built at a land that he says was grabbed, and basically says it was at the Nyali police station for public interest to push for the release of those officers who are enforcing that particular order. And therefore, as you indicated, it's not the first time that Joho is finding himself in such sort of matrices. You remember that a couple of months ago he was also involved in another altercation when he went to the Directorate of Criminal Investigations here in Mombasa to push for the release of the current Speaker of Mombasa County. Therefore, even at that particular time, it was reported that he had been arrested, but clearly he wasn't arrested, but he had gone there to seek for the release of that particular person. So today, what is in contestation is a piece of land, a beach plot, a prime land that is around Nyali Beach Resort. And this is the land that they say a private investor is ingeniously trying really to grab, and he has already taken a part of the land and ensured that there is no entrance. The public cannot get entry into the the other side of the beach because he has put a wall already. And this is what the inspectorate officers went to try and demolish, bring it down, because they say the county government was not properly or duly involved in this whole matter, and that is why they were moving in to enforce that particular order. And they also cite the National Land Commission, which they say had already given some sort of orders to say that that was public land, and now what has been happening is actually ultra vires. Therefore, Joho left moments around 11 a.m. and after moments after he had left, we saw the 7 members of the inspectorate also leaving the Nyali police station, and now to say that no one is has been arrested, or no one is in custody yet as we speak right now, and therefore all of them are free right now, and we are waiting to see how this plays out. We were at the site of where the construction is going on. Of course, we saw the demolition, but we are yet to see how this plays out. But there is an indication that this could now head to the corridors of justice.
Francis, thank you for that update. Our reporter Francis Ontomwa there joining us live from Mombasa. Now over